Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. I hope you guys can see me, hear me clearly. Uh, just a quick response, please. Now, just a quick thing. I'm kind of not. I'm a little outstation, so that's why the setup is a little different. But again, I guess you won't feel a thing. I'll take the class from right here. So with that being said, we'll discuss the live mock for this week. So let's start with the class. So first class or the first question is this one. A circular pond is constructed inside a square park such that the pond touches all four sides of the park. If the side of the park is this, find the walkway between, to find the area of this. Okay, sir. So circular pond touches all four sides. So circular pond looks something like this, sir. So, and this is the square will look something like this. Correct? Now they are saying the side is 50 meters. This is 50 meters, sir. Perfect. So if this is 50 meter, that means, sir, the radius I can say of this particular circle is 25 meters because diameter is also 50 meters. Now, if this is 25, then area of the pond will be how much? 22 by 7 into 25 square, which is 625 pi r square. Now, the area of these portions, the pathway, these four portions, that will be what? Sir, area of the whole rectangle, like the square minus this particular area. So this will be 50 square minus 22 by 7 into 625. That will be my answer. So if I just calculate this 2500, so I can take this 625 out, I guess, right? So this will be 4 minus 22 by 7. So which will be 625 into, sir, 6 by 7. So this is 3600, sir, and 3750 divided by 7. So 5 sevens are 30, like 35, 25. So 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. There is only one option starting with 5, 3. So that means this has to be my answer. Option number 1, 537.5 has to be my correct answer without fail, sir. Simple. First was very simple question, first one. Let's move on, sir. Let's move on to our second question. Ratio of principal and simple interest for 1 year is given, array. Meaning 20 rupees principal on this, 3 rupees is interest for 1 year. Rate of interest is nothing but that in terms of percentage, meaning interest out of principal in this. So 15%. It was a one-liner. Again, option A is the answer. Option A must be the correct answer. Again, this was a simple one-liner question. Next one, please. Cos A given, sin B given, tan A plus B they are asking. Okay, sir. Cos A given as this. Cos A is given like this. So this is 3, this is 5. This must be 4. This is A, sir. Again, sir. Sin B given like this. So sin B is, so if this I call B, this is 5, this is 13. This must be 12 using Pythagorean triplets. Tan A plus B is what? This is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan. Figure out the values of tan A and tan B. So from this figure, tan A will be how much, sir? 4 by 3. From this figure, sir, tan B will be how much, sir? 5 by 12. Just put in the values. Tan A is 4 by 3 plus 5 by 12. 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by 12, sir. So this is this. So 12 is the LCM over here. So 3, 4, 16 plus 5, that is 21, sir. Right? 4, sorry. Yeah, so, okay. So this is, and 5 by 9, that is 4 by 9 over here. So 3 3s are this, 3 4s are this. So I can simply say 21 by 4 into 3 by 4 must be the answer. So which is 63 by 16. So option number D. D for Delhi is the correct answer. D for Delhi is the correct answer, sir. Again, a little bit of calculation, nothing very difficult about this. Nothing very difficult. Number of diagonals of this, n into n minus 3 by 2. Again, either you know or you don't. 27 into 24 divided by 2. 27 into 12, 270 plus 54. Correct, sir? 324. Option number A, sir. Option number A. Again, very, very, very simple. Next one, sir. A simple question, ABC triangle. Okay. Sir, ABC triangle is given as 44 area. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, this is D, sir. E is midpoint of AB. Okay, this is E. They are asking BD. Acha, sir. Sir, if you join two midpoints, so this will be 1/4 of the area, sir. Why? Because this is 1:1, because these are midpoints. So this is actually the side ratio of this triangle. This is 1:2, sir. AC is twice of DE. If that happens, so area ratio will be square. So that is 1 square 1, 2 square 4. That's why this smaller triangle will have 1/4 of the area of the bigger triangle, which is 44. So your answer will be 11 square or 11 centimeter square. Done, sir. Again, simple question, sir. Very, very, very simple. Probably the easiest question that they could have given on similarity area. A alone 40 days. He is twice as fast. Acha, sir. Again, from this line, we can figure out the efficiency ratio, sir. A, B, and C. B is thrice as fast as C. This is thrice. B is to C. A is twice as fast as B. So this is 6. 3 double. This is the efficiency ratio. Total work is what? A alone can do this in 40 days. So 6 units every day into 40 days. This is total work. If all three work together, they can do it in how many days? If all three work together, they are doing it 6, 3, 1, meaning 10 units every day. So they can do this, the whole work in 24 days. Done and dusted. Option B is the answer. Again, a very, very, very simple question, sir. Next one, please. This one looks very weird. Acha, they are asking x squared. Oh, acha, in this situation, don't try to figure out the individual value of x, you'll get stuck. So x squared will be what, sir? Sir, this will be this thing whole square. So I'm just writing the whole thing. So I can write, sir, a and b, a square, meaning I'll get rid of the squares, the outside ones. This is a squared, sir, plus b squared. This is b squared, sir, plus twice of AB. A into B, if you do, it will be root over of A plus B into A minus B, meaning A square minus B square, sir. B square will be 15 by 16. Achha, first things first, this is getting cancelled. 2 plus 2 into, this is 1 by 16, root over of. So 2 plus 2 into, this is 1 by 4. So 2 plus this 5 by 2 is the answer, sir. Option number B once again. Again, please understand. If you wanted to find x first, then I'll figure out x square, you would have gotten stuck. Let me say this. In these situations, never do that. Never do that. Okay? Clear, sir? Moving on. Signal tower, hide this, is used for monitoring traffic. From the top of the tower, the angle of depression of two vehicles opposite is this, sir. Signal tower, two vehicles. One is like this, the another one is like this. This is the tower, distance between the vehicles. Okay, this is 186 meters. This is 60 degrees depression. This is 30 degrees angle of depression. Now they are saying what is the distance between them. Okay, sir. So do one thing. If this is 60, then this is root 3 units and this is 1 unit. This much, sir. And again, if this is 30, then this is 1 unit and this must be root 3 units. But again, please understand what we need to equate here. What do we need to equate? So these two cannot be different because both are representing the same value. So here, let's multiply this by root 3. So I need to multiply this also by root 3. So here, 1 into root 3, this is also root 3. Meaning now I can say this root 3 value, root 3 units is equivalent to 186 meters. And this road is now 1 unit here, root 3 into root 3, meaning 3 units here. So total 4 units is how much? Sir, 186 by root 3 into 4, sir. Sir, again, let's do one thing. This is root 3 and this is root 3. Meaning this is now 3, sir. 3, 6 are this, 2 are this. This is 248 root 3, sir. Option number B. Option number B must be the answer. Again, not a very difficult question. Not a very difficult question. 18 rupees a kg, sir. This is very simple, pure allegation. The primary question of allegation, right? I guess you guys all learned allegation using this question. 4:3 is the answer. This week's mock seems a little easier, at least till the questions we have found, the first 10 questions or so. Tan theta is given. Achha, cosec theta into sec theta. Sir, those who know, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to cosec theta into cot theta. Again, because the exam is very near, I am kind of giving you the shortcut methods, the better methods. Okay, cosec theta into cot. Cosec theta into cot theta. So tan theta plus cot theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Clear, everyone? This is something that you must understand. So tan theta, if this is this, so again cot theta is, I can simply say 1 by 9 plus 4 root 5. And 4 root 5 square is 89 square is this. That means I can simply write difference is 1. So this is directly this. So that means what they're asking us to find the value of this. Meaning they're asking us to find the value of this. So tan theta plus cot theta, I can directly say it will be 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 9 minus 4 root 5, which is 18, sir. Option B. Option B, done understood. Option B, done understood. Nothing very difficult. Nothing very difficult. Next one, please. A and B, investment 500 and 450. 4 months, this they have given us a story. Chalo, let's start. Let us start with the story. Initial 500 rupees, 450 rupees. 4 months after, A withdraws 50% an investment. Acha. So this money was there for 4 months. Then 250 rupees was there because 50% has been drawn off. 50% he has taken out. Now 250 rupees is there. Now, and at the end of 6 months, B invested 50 rupees more, meaning this was there for 6 months, and then 50 rupees more means 500 rupees now. And C joined A and B with an investment of 600 rupees. Acha, sir. Total profit end of the year. So C joined for the last 6 months because total is end of the year. And this will be there for the last 6 months. This will be there for the last 8 months because total is 1 year. I must make sure that follows. Just calculate, sir. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 10, 5 5s, 5 9s, 5 10s, 5 12s. Anything more, sir? I can take another 4, I guess. 4, no, 2. So 2 here, 4 here, 3 here, 3 here, and sir, 2 here. I cannot do anything. So 20 and 20. That means sir, 40 here, ratio. 27 plus 30, 57 here, and sir, 6 6 are 36 here. This is the ratio, sir. This is the ratio. Now, find the profit if B is giving you this. So 57 parts value is 34 200. 57 fours are, no, 57 twos are 114. 114 into 3 is this, sir, into 6 times. 6 times double zero, 600, sir. One part is 600. Then they are asking total profit. Total profit is how much? Again, you see, what did I do? I figured out 57 parts is given as this because profit share of B. So I'm figuring out what is the total. Total will be how much, sir? 57 and this. That will be 100 minus 3, 97. 97 meaning 133 total. So my answer will be 133 into 600. That's my answer. Let's calculate, sir. I can do one thing. Last three digits, double zero and 3 6 are 18. 800 se end. It will be end. It will end in 800, sir. Option number B must be the answer. Option number B must be the answer because last three digits is this. I don't want to calculate the whole thing. Done, sir. Next one. Maximum length of any rod that can be placed in cube X. So that is root 3x. Acha, sorry, extremely sorry, sir. Maximum length is x. So x is root 3a, sir. So x square will be 3a squared, sir. So x square represents combined length of all the edges. No, sir. Root 3 times volume. No, sir. Sir, option C, half of the total surface area. Total surface area is 6a square, we all know. So this will be half of that. Again, very simple. We didn't know, like, need like multiple things. Very simple. Very, very simple. Coefficient of this eraser, you can, if you know binomial theorem, you can do it like that using simple logic. But again, here you can simply break it down. A minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a squared b. A square is x square into b is, sir, 3y. So this is only formula, like this is only a coefficient of y. So 3 3s are 9x square with a negative sign. Sir, option number C is the answer. Option number C is the answer. Done. Simple. Just break it down in a cube, a minus b whole cube form. That's all. Coastal ferry completes its run of in 10 hours at this much speed. To finish the same run in this speed, what will be the increment of speed? Achha, sir. Time ratio, sir, that is 10:8, meaning 5:4. So speed ratio must be 4:5. 4 parts is 36. Or rather, you don't even need the speed. I can simply say, because they're asking the percentage increment. Increment of 1 out of 4. Percentage increment is 25%. Done and dusted, sir. Option D is the answer. Option D must be your answer. You don't need anything. Clear? Next one. Average of 9 consecutive odd numbers. I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sir, always the middle value will be the average. This one, 21. What they're asking? Sum of smallest numbers. The smallest will be 19, 17, 15, 13. Second smallest, 15. Largest will be 23, 25, 27, 29. Sum of these three numbers. This is 28 plus 56, 57. So done. Done, sir. Clear. Again, don't complicate the things. Next one, please. How much 70% of 80? 56, sir. 1/4 of 260, 130, 65. So difference they are asking 9. Absolutely simple. No fuss. Very simple. Option number C. Find the value of this. Again, all four having 6, 6, 6, and 4. But again, the good thing is 8, 8. Unit digit is 4. And there is only one option with that unit digit. I'll not calculate. That's my answer. Just go with the unit digit. Done. Next one, please. The measure of an angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle. Half the measure, no, sir, twice the measure of the, like, subtended by the arc at any point of the circle. So meaning the central angle is always twice of this angle. So if this is x, this is 2x. So they are like kind of representing or saying the same thing in English rather than the mathematical language. Done, sir. Moving on. 30 kg this sells this. If he sells equal quantities, sir, Equal quantities, meaning he buys equal quantities. Let's take 1 kg, 1 kg, the best, or 2 kg, 2 kgs, whatever. One is the better option. So buys 1 kg, 1 kg at 50 rupees, 30 plus 20, sells it for this 54 rupees, 36 plus this. Sir, 4 rupee profit out of 50 rupees. So percentage profit is 8%. Again, 10 seconder. Again, I'm quite confident like today the question is very simple. All of you should have gotten full marks. Honestly. The number should be subtracted from this to get 53 as GCD. So GCD meaning, sir, HCF. Okay. Old name of HCF, older like was GCD. Do one thing, the best option. You can like check with the options, but I would say take the smaller number and divide by 53. 53 ones are 53, sir. So 7, 8, 80, sir. 51, 53 ones are 53. So this is 27. 27 is there in the option. Do one thing. Take the other one, 928, subtract 27 from there. So this is 901. See whether that is divisible by 53 or not. Again, 53 is prime, so I must check by doing this only. 53 ones are 53, sir. This is 7, 3, 1. Sir, 7. Yes, sir. This is divisible. Meaning, if I subtract 27 from the second number, that is also divisible by 53. Meaning, sir, 27 is that particular number which should be subtracted from both so that this gets divisible. So that has to be my answer. 27. 100%. Because it's matching. Clear, everyone? Next one. Value of x is proportional. Proportional meaning x by first by second is equal to third by fourth. Sir, by C cancels. So this is Q will go up. Qx by P is equal to Q by R. Q cancels. X is P by R. P by R option B, sir. Done, sir. Array, select ho jaye. Clear, everyone? Again, a very, very, very simple case. Next one. Sir, below statement given below, sufficiency, DS question, data sufficiency. I don't need to answer. I just need to figure out whether the question can be answered or not. Sir, Jagat bought two clothes for his tailoring shop. Of the two clothes A and B, which costs him more? He bought 39 meter of cloth A, 91 meter of cloth B. Okay, but again, no prices have been given. So I cannot assume anything. So this is not sufficient. This much of cloth B costs more than, sir, again, I can get a ratio, but not the prices. I can say 28 meter of A costs more than 10 meters of, sorry, of B costs more than this. But again, I cannot make an equation. I cannot make any, I cannot get anything. So the question cannot be answered even by using both. That's the answer. So this is kind of like no way you can answer this particular question. Simple. Area they are asking. Chalo sir, use the area formula. Again, you can use different techniques. I prefer do it normally. Why go into those problems? 1 and 5. So 6 into 1, 6. This is minus 9. This is minus 40. Minus. The opposite cross, sir. 15, this. So, sorry. Sir, 15 minus 48 minus 3, sir. So this is minus 3 minus 43, sir. Minus, sir. 48 and 3 minus 51 minus 35 minus 36. Achha, there will be half one, huh? Forgot. So 43 and 1 second. Have I missed something? 6, 9, 40. Okay, minus 15 minus 48 plus 15. No, it's okay. Then why the options are so like this? Acha, this will become plus na. No, no, no. My mistake. So this will become plus na. हाँ, तब तो सही है. 43 and 36, meaning sir, this is 4 and 3, 8, sir. So I'm getting 4. 1 second, 1 second. 4 and 3, 8 is 7. I have messed up. Sir, 36, 47, so 3.5 will be the answer. 3.5 will be the answer, option A. My mistake, sir. I don't know. I just zoned out for a bit. Option A is the answer. Just basic calculation. Basic calculations. Next one. ABC, same base, and this. Okay. CB is so BC is the same base, sir. BC is the same base. A, B, and C. Okay, just a second. Such that A, B, C, acha, they are congruent as well. They are congruent as well. So in that case, na, make the diagram like this. At least so that looks ठीक-ठाक. Okay. Same base such that these two are congruent, ABC and DCB. What AC equal to BC, sir? AC is equal to BC. Okay. What is the value of CD? What is the value of CD? This part. This part value they are asking. Acha, DB is perpendicular to BC. Sir, I made the diagram wrong. 1 second. This is BC. This is DB. Now it works. They are congruent. So it must look like something like this. This must be E. Okay, sir, BC says that these two are congruent. AC equal to BC. AC must be equal to BC. Now this is 90 degree. Congruent means that means this must also be 90 degree. Okay. Now they are saying what is the value of CD. CD will be what? CD will be what? And the answers are given in terms of BD. Answers are given in terms of BD. Acha, okay, sir, no worries. Acha, if these two are congruent, then this is, if this is X, this is also X, and congruent means if this is X, this is also X. So CD will be, CD, you see DBC, the triangle is a right angle isosceles triangle. So CD will be root over of x square plus x square or root 2x, root 2 into BD. That will be the answer. Okay. This will be your answer, option number B. Option number B. Not difficult, just a little weird in the language. The language part was a little weird. Right prism has a shape of right angle, base is this, right angle triangle. Two legs of triangle measure this, okay? Prism's height is this, density is this, wait, sir, this will be, area will be half into 48 into 96, area, into height, into, sir, every centimeter cube is 5. This will be, they are asking the in kilograms. They are asking this in kilograms. So this is in centimeter, this is in grams. This is in grams because gram per centimeter cube. So I have to, in order to get this into kilograms, I must do this. So 5 and 5, 25. That is 40 here, sir. 4, 10. This is 12. So 48 into 12 into 3 divided by 10. Use unit digit, sir. Use unit digit, but unit digit will not work here. No, it will work. By 10 meaning, sir, my answer can be either B or C. Option A or D cannot be the answer because there is a by 10 that is remaining. Sir, 8 2s are 16, 6 into 3, 18. So 8 by 10, meaning my unit digit will be 0.8. So my answer will be option B because that is the only option that ends in 0.8. That's the answer, sir. That must be your correct answer. And you see, with that, we have ended our live mock discussions. We have completed all the 25 questions, right? Now, again, one thing I know today I couldn't take the class from the board for obvious reasons, but again, we have solved all the questions and I hope everybody have understood. And if you have enjoyed the session, please feel free to like the session, and if you need any other help, the 3D mensuration classes are going on. So you see, every week you'll get a video. Last week's video is already live. You can, and this week I guess the video will be live day after tomorrow, and every week you'll get the videos as scheduled. So with that being said, thank you so much. And if you have any other topic requests, feel free to like kind of comment it in the comment sections. I'll definitely take it out. And next week again, I'll see me from the board. Thank you. Till then, please take care, and I'll see you guys in the next class. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.